Tired of blurry, pixelated images? In this video, I'll show you how to transform low-quality photos into crisp, high-resolution results using Luma-Loft's advanced upscaling tools. We'll go step by step, and in just seconds, you'll see a clear, professional upgrade, no complex settings, no guesswork. Let's kick things off by opening the Tools menu and selecting Image Upscaler HD. This tool intelligently increases your image resolution while maintaining detail and sharpness. Now, upload your image by clicking on the designated upload area. Then, pick your photo file from your Files Explorer. This step imports your image into Luma-Loft for processing. Next, choose your upscale factor. Whether you want a 2x, 4x, this sets how much bigger and clearer your image will become. In this example, we'll be working with a 4x scale. Once you're ready, click Upscale to begin the enhancement process. When the process is complete, use the Preview slider to instantly compare the before and after. Zoom in and out to see the difference. If you're happy with the results, simply click Download to save your upscaled photo. Let's try another example using a low-quality logo. Clicking the Exit button will cancel the operation. Simply upload, select your next file, and continue improving your photos. If you need a specific resolution, use the drop-down menu to set your target size, like 2160p for 4K quality. This ensures your results fit your exact requirements. Once you're satisfied, click Upscale again to achieve your desired resolution. Use the Preview slider to quickly compare the before and after. In this example, our original photo was 500 by 532 pixels, and after upscaling, it became 2000 by 2128 pixels. Finally, download your completed project, or seamlessly send it to another creative tool for further customization. You've now learned how to enhance and upscale your images using Luma-Loft like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe for more creative guides, and let me know your questions in the comments below.